Hello, TV enthusiasts. Are you struggling with Netflix not working on your Sony Smart TV? If so, you're not alone. How to fix Netflix not working on Sony Smart TV is a common issue faced by many users. This video will guide you through the necessary troubleshooting steps to ensure you can get back to binge watching your favorite series and movies without any hiccups. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First and foremost, ensure your Sony Smart TV is connected to the internet. A stable and strong Wi-Fi connection is essential for streaming content on Netflix. Begin by navigating to your TV settings and selecting Network and Internet. Verify that you are connected to your home network. If the connection is weak or intermittent, try restarting your router or moving it closer to your TV. You might also consider using a wired Ethernet connection for a more stable experience. Step 2. Restart the Netflix app. Sometimes a simple restart of the Netflix app can resolve any minor glitches. To restart the app, return to your TV's home menu and locate the Netflix app. Highlight the app and press the Options or Menu button on your remote. Choose Close Application or Force Stop, depending on your TV model. Wait a few seconds, then reopen the Netflix app. This can clear cached data and resolve temporary issues. Step 3. Update the Netflix app and TV software. Ensure both your Netflix app and Sony Smart TV software are up to date. An outdated version can cause compatibility issues. To update the Netflix app, navigate to the Google Play Store on your TV. Search for Netflix and check for any available updates. For your TV's firmware, go to Settings, select System, and choose Software Update. Follow on-screen instructions to download and install any pending updates. Keeping software up to date helps in minimizing bugs and improving compatibility. Step 4. Clear cache and data. Clearing the cache and data of the Netflix app can help solve persistent issues. Go to Settings, then Apps, and select Netflix. Choose Storage and Cache, and then both Clear Cache and Clear Data. Be mindful that clearing data will require you to log back into your Netflix account, so have your credentials handy. Step 5. Check for account or device limitations. If you're still encountering problems, ensure your Netflix account is in good standing and not over its device limit. Log into your Netflix account on a computer or a mobile device and navigate to Account Settings. Here you can manage devices and confirm that your subscription plan supports streaming on a Sony Smart TV. Removing unused devices can sometimes solve streaming issues. With these troubleshooting steps, you should be well equipped to fix Netflix not working on your Sony Smart TV and get back to your viewing marathon. Remember, ensuring a stable internet connection, updating your apps and software, and managing your account settings are key strategies for resolving most issues. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Netflix support or Sony customer service for further assistance. Enjoy your uninterrupted streaming experience.